Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Decade! And happy viewing to my channel! For this video, we will be having a mukbang challenge. Pero dahil 2020 na, we will level up the challenge. Instead of sitting in front of a table with lots of food to eat, we added a different flavor on the challenge for our challengers to make it more challenging. But before I present to you the mechanics, let's have first our hashtag shout out to our subscribers. Hashtag shout out kina Jam Shield Purgatorio, Angeline Zamora, Ira Logronio, Alpia Amor Caseria, Boy Aya, John Ray Argoliosos, Bry Licera, Bernadette Festine, and last but not the least, John Ray Dohinog. To all my subscribers, daghan kaayong salamat mga ma'am ug sir. And before I forgot, we will also announce the 3 lucky winners na makakakuha ng pen shop caps as our promise to them. So just stay tuned. And if happened na kayo yung mapili, just message me on my Facebook account on how to claim the prize. The link is on the description box. Thank you and congratulations! And we're back to our challenge. At dahil 2020 na nga, and we are pushing on a healthier eating habit, our challengers will be eating 13 lucky fruits. So easy. But the twist here is they need to eat the fruits alphabetically at naka-blindfold. Of course, they will be assisted by their respective pairs. So here's the arrangement of the fruits. Apple, chico, dalandan, grapes, guava, kiat-kiat, lanzones, lemon, mango, orange, pear, pineapple, and last but not the least, sun-kissed. This challenge would never be made possible without our challengers, our very competitive, professional teachers. At the same time, mga kabarkada ko na since college days, the Team Kurimao! O para mahibal-an kung kinsa ang magkauban ug magkalaban, gidula sa nila ang pinakabag-o nga dula karong tuig 2020, ang Bato-Bato Peak.
Go! Bato-Bato Peak! Bato-Bato Peak!
Kawan po.
Isa magwan.
Ikaw. Bato-Bato Peak!
Bato-Bato Peak! Bato-Bato Peak!
Kawan. Bato-Bato Peak! Bato-Bato Peak!
Bato-Bato Peak!
Bato-Bato Peak!
Oh, lansa mo! Lansa! Wala.
Bato-Bato Peak! Dalawa.
Bato-Bato Peak! Yay!
Bato-Bato Peak! Bato-Bato Peak! Bato-Bato Peak!
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a hand to the blue team! Let's give them a big warm of applause to the green team! Ready na? Ready na?
Aha!
In 3, 2, 1,
Game begin.
go!
Forward, 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 go. Right, 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 right. Forward pa yun, go. Go.
Go!
Okay, go, forward. Ano nila, backward, backward, backward. Right, right, right. Right, right,
Go,
right.
go,
G,
go,
G,
go.
G, G, G. No. Backward. Dali, tapos.
No.
Ano to? G, G.
Ito, ito.
Go. Go. Alright.
Hindi ka na sana.
Kana, go. Backward, 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 backward.
Go.
Left, 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 left.
Go.
G, 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 forward, forward. Left, backward, 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 backward. Right, right, G, G, G. Right, right. Backward, backward. Then, forward, 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 forward.
Here.
Forward, 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 forward. Right, right. Right, right, pa yun. Na, go. Get na, get na. Get na.
Go.
Left, 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 left.
Go.
Left, 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 left. Go, backward, backward, backward.
Go.
Left, 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 left.
Go.
Backward, forward. Ay, backward, backward. Go. G, G, G.
Go.
Left, forward, left, 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 left. Go. Left, left, left. Backward, backward, backward. Left, left, backward. G, G.
Go.
No. Forward, forward, forward. Go. Forward, forward.
Go. What's next? Go.
Forward, forward, forward. G, G.
Go.
Forward, forward, forward. Go. Forward, forward, forward.
Go.
Left, 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 left. Forward, forward, forward. Go. Backward, backward. Left, 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 left. Backward, backward, backward.
Go.
Forward, forward, forward. Left, 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 forward, left. Go. G, G.
Go.
Forward,
Go,
forward.
go.
G, G. Forward, forward. Backward, right, right, right. Go.
Tanungin mo ang isip mo. Nasa na?
Wala. Done.
Nasa na ba yun? Sabi na ako eh.
Asa orange? Asa orange?
Please,
Ang lemon.
Wala po sa lemon.
At ang nanalo sa ating Mukbang Challenge Level Up ay walang iba kundi ang Blue Team! Nanalo sila ng 600 pesos! But, before we end this video, ito na yung resulta sa naganap na raffle draw kung sino yung nanalo sa ating Pen Shop Caps na raffle. Congratulations! 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 Congratulations!